कहाँ पे देखना, यहाँ पे या वहाँ पे?
मुझे
In every sphere of the sporting world, things haven't gone right for us. For me, at least, being a Ferrari fan.
Roars around the outside. Does he get the place? He does. Fourth position.
Let's start though with the big breaking Formula One news today that both Ferrari drivers have been disqualified.
Not where I want to be.
it's never gonna go right for you. Where Max said, "Oh, Lando just not happy with the fact that the grass on the right side was not cut properly, so he just cut it." Every time before hating on somebody and shitting on them, we need to sit here and understand that what they are doing, we'll never be able to do it.
He's turned in flat and he's still got DRS open.
Secondly, Lewis knows these next few years are going to be the last few years of him in Formula 1. Third.
आंसू आ रहे हैं यार.
Roll. You want anybody has tissues? Don't tell them you gave it to me already. Na? Give it to me now. अरे यार दिमाग ही खराब है भाई.
कहाँ पे देखना, यहाँ पे या वहाँ पे?
मुझे
Rolling है ना guys? We can start like this only. But I was saying, guys, that today the energy is a little low because it's been one of those weekends, right, where in every sphere of the sporting world things haven't gone right for us. For me, at least, being a Ferrari fan, nothing's happening in F1.
That is never gonna go
when
right for
it's
you.
the IPL, CSK, SRH, all of these teams are not doing well. Football, Manchester United, they didn't win as well. So it's been that kind of a weekend, but we are back. And just before we begin, we want to reiterate it to you that we try and do this after every race weekend. So please go and watch our last 2 episodes, which have been fun, not because I'm here, but because we have Himika Bose with us, right?
because what?
So, because... and she's pretty happy today because Red Bull, Max Verstappen, they're sitting there on top.
That's
so
all I'm gonna say. Do.
How should we start for Max?
I think we should start a little. The reason we were laughing in the middle, in the starting of the take, is we don't have much to cover the whole episodes because nothing happened.
That's true.
So
That's
I mean,
absolutely true.
that's how we're gonna pass time today, by just laughing.
हंसते कट जाए रास्ते.
Yeah. Bam! Mic drop. It's not gonna drop. There's a stand here. But yeah.
Firstly, yaar, we missed you last week. Let's just mention that. थोड़ा सा भाव दे देते हैं.
Somebody missed me. That's all I care about at this point. Thank you, guys. Okay, apologies that we did not do the Chinese Grand Prix, and the only fault for that is my own.
No, but
because I was really sick, and
but I think we all understand that health comes first. So
Aw.
it was a point which we couldn't compromise on.
but the Chinese GP had so much shit happening,
I
bro.
think we had planned a lot of stuff.
Dude, I had written
go
shit
well.
down on my phone. Oh, I'm going to
Yeah.
talk about this. And then I couldn't talk only. So God was like, so yeah. Sorry.
No, great.
Alan keeps
Say
laughing
it.
at me. Yeah,
It's crazy.
so I was just, I just couldn't do much. So apologies for that. But I don't know if we should talk a little bit about the Chinese Grand Prix.
We can. I mean, if
Chinese
you remember, I have to like...
Yeah, I don't remember much because I feel too much. Actually, nothing has happened, but still, Okay, you know what? Raat gai, baat gai. Good for everybody.
I think I'll just to reiterate.
Thank
I
you.
was very happy that Ferrari, they did something. Hamilton won in the sprint. We were very happy about it. And then after the race got over, we realized there was a bomb that dropped.
I was just gonna say, I'm like, you were happy about
But-
Ferrari, what?
I mean, yeah, of course, man. Like Hamilton
About
winning the
the-
sprint was like crazy. I had higher expectations कि यार sprint के बाद बंदा कुछ करेगा, he'll gonna blast and all. I'm like, oh, full hype. Watching the race and I'm like, this is not happening.
Yeah,
dude. This is not happening.
What's going on, yeah, bro?
And that was the same expression for this race. कि यार ये क्या चालू है? And by the way, like yeah, whatever, चल.
Yeah, what?
I'll
Go
mention
on, go on.
after.
Go on, tell me,
let's go.
now I wanna know.
No, let's go.
Okay.
I'll tell you.
I actually forgot what I was gonna say. You'll cut this hair, okay? It's just for myself.
थोड़ा natural
So,
लगता है.
nahi, this is not how I naturally laugh. That's my funny laugh.
When you entered today, that's what you did.
It's like, yeah, boys. That's my excitement. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
So, the funny part, which I realized when he spoke about the Ferrari boys getting, I can't say that. Fuck. When I heard about the Ferrari boys getting like really ruined in last race, was that the FIA apparently posted a new thing that said that last week we just chose randomly to inspect 2 cars. Like, it was not that all the cars were inspected or anything.
And it had to be Ferrari.
And somehow this can happen in any race. They can randomly ask you to
That's
be like,
what
you're gonna
happens-
get checked and all.
That's what happens in a drug test also for
Yeah,
athletes.
but not
they don't
every-
pick anyone.
yeah.
They just randomly pick any player. Pakda gaya to pakda.
Why? So the same thing happened with our beautiful Ferrari boys, where they were like, "You guys look too happy. Come here." And yeah, that was just sad. So yeah, I mean, I think luck kharab hai yaar. And also, I saw a meme. I'll send it to you. Just put it here, okay? When we're talking. That's one meme I saw.
The editor is beginning to listen to you from the last one. Last podcast also he said put it here. He made some extraordinary thing.
Love you. So, editor. So, there's this meme that says Lewis went to Ferraris. Sorry.
There's only one glimpse coming in my mind now. Love you, editor.
I was like this Lewis going to Ferrari saying, I want my 8th championship. And then right below that, it shows all the driver points and Hamilton at 8 points. Ferrari, and that says, Ferrari, this is not what Lewis meant when he said this. I want my 8th.
He also finished 8th, no? This race.
He has 8 points.
Yeah, but I'm just saying.
Oh, sorry, he's P8. He's
P8.
P8 in the championship also now.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is he?
Kimi Antonelli is above
Oh,
him.
yeah. 15 points ke saath he's P8. That's
Yeah.
true. Absolutely right.
P8 and uske upar I think Antonelli, George Russell, Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen, not Charles, Ferrari is also fucked. Well, who else is there? Albon. Albon is there?
drivers?
Yeah.
No, there's only Albon 7.
Yeah,
6
wahi to.
is Charles. 5
Charles?
Antonelli. Yeah.
Oh,
because he's
Charles?
at 20.
Oh, wow.
Antonelli and Russell are above as well.
Yeah.
So Mercedes
Mercedes is
definitely. And
above.
then the Orange Army and Verstappen.
Now that we went to Mercedes, I'm just like,
Okay,
unless
should we
you have
just
something, yeah.
start from the race?
Yeah, go on.
From this one?
Yeah, sure.
No, I'm
That's
just
what-
asking you, ki, what did you... Obviously, we all saw that it was a kind of a race.
I kept waiting for something to happen.
Sorry?
No, I'm like, I just kept waiting for something to happen.
Kuch nahi hua. Yeah, I think except for that... I don't see was there any issue about it also, the Lando
one?
and the Max bit coming out from the
Dude,
pit.
they laughed themselves
Yeah, I
in
mean,
the
I also didn't feel ki Max did anything to
No,
Lando.
I mean, sorry,
Yeah,
I am a Lando fan also, but bro, that was just stupid. He just went on his own. He's like, oh, Max pushed me, and in the end, I think they both realized after the race, because they both joked about in the press conference where Max said, oh, Lando just not happy with the fact that the grass on the right side was not cut properly, so he just
yeah.
cut it, and Lando went like, yeah, I'm not that fan. So I love the camaraderie that these boys have between themselves. They're like laughing at each other. Even when Max got pole on Saturday, the first person who went to congratulate him was Lando.
Yeah.
I kind of like this kind of rivalry than the whole I'll kill you, like the whole yes, it also has its own fun. The Max
Yeah.
and Hamilton one was amazing,
Right.
but I feel that also makes it so negative. I feel this is a fun one where when they are racing, they're racing, then nobody is your friend, but the moment your helmet is out, you are still friends.
Correct.
I like that.
Fair. And I think I was also going to that point saying that even after the race, when they sat in that room to watch what were the highlights? I think there was only one highlight that was shown to them.
Yeah, and
also.
Oscar's like, that's it, that's all happened at the race, and Lando's like, nothing happened.
Yeah, because
it's all of
ideally,
us.
I think is
So-
this supposed to be one of the most boring races that you watched in the last 3 to 4 years?
How about we speak about what could have happened for the race to be better?
Oh, before, let me just tell you this point that I gave you, right, today morning.
Love it. Don't tell them you gave it to me already, na? Give it to me now. अरे यार दिमाग ही खराब है भाई.
That's what she said. But okay, guys, let me just
I like this mood of the episode. This is more fun.
let me just tell you. Okay,
Something for the first time?
See, guys, this is what happens. I think if the race weekend doesn't give us anything, we have to bring something to this podcast,
Yeah.
which is
Today
a
we
little bit
bring
of
humor.
Extraordinary humor. But yeah, I was mentioning the fact that, which even she didn't know, I think.
I
which you
still
just
don't
got to
know what he's talking
oh,
about.
Oh,
I have no idea.
This is about science being fined about 20,000 euros.
Why?
Because he didn't make it in time for the national anthem.
He got fined 20k because he couldn't make it for national anthem.
Because he wanted to poop. Because he took a washroom break. And that's the reason. There was a letter also issued to him saying that, bhai, you didn't come, so you get a 20,000 euro fine.
20,000 euro is
Euros, no? That is, yeah,
is
euros.
2 cr.
I mean, like, whatever. It's an expensive sport, dude.
That's the most expensive shit he would have taken in his life for sure.
Yeah, it's in dollars. But whatever, yeah, 20K, 20,000.
20k.
20K is
That's
the
a
shit.
very expensive shit.
Yeah, that is.
Now this we can cut into a reel. This part,
Yeah.
the science one,
Definitely.
because science works. Hilarious also works. Add a few more things into it, and then let's just cut this into a reel.
Yeah. I'm trying
Have
to
you
find
have
that
you ever
post.
heard of any other random penalties like this?
This
that we
is
can add?
very new to me. Yeah.
No, FIA is crazy like that.
Yeah.
That
I'm
is
like, कि
तो
क्या हो रहा है इस बार?
random.
मतलब कुछ भी.
But this was like, I don't think I've heard this before. Like, but 20k, yeah.
Yeah, it says 20K, dude, proper. 20,000 euros.
Wait, which page is this?
Racing News.
Racing News is okay. Don't listen to anything that the Romanian GP wala page says.
No, I'm not following.
I
This
can
was
keep
OG.
liking their
This
posts.
was OG.
Don't believe the Romanian GP wala page. They are
I'm
dumb.
see now. There is a proper.
No, itna to I know. Ye
There's a
wala I know.
proper-
The driver has
breakdown.
been fined 20,000, out of which 10,000 is suspended for a period of 12 months, subject to there being no further breach of above article, like that he doesn't do it again. So right now he just has to pay 10,
1 crore.
but that's a lot. But wow. But they didn't say this. The stewards heard that the driver really need to go shit, but they didn't give a fuck about it. So they were like, no, that's not true. But wow, man.
But
that's
this is
a,
fun, guys.
that's a very expensive shit.
Yeah.
And this, please make
I
this
think
into a
I think
reel.
this was the main part of the race, right?
I
Like
have
this is something
another-
interesting.
Yeah, this is something really. This is an interesting shit.
Got it. Nice.
Thanks.
Nice.
I love how we are finally slowly trying to
Build a
getting
mood.
into each other's humor
Yeah.
radar.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know what you will find funny now.
I was waiting to drop another word, but I said, okay, finish it fast.
Go for it.
No.
Come now.
It's coming.
That's what she said.
Aega.
Thank you. Okay. Another thing that I really wanted to talk about was McLaren.
Yeah.
The are you doing? Like, I understand that you are new champions. You want to be very careful about it again, and you don't want to act like haphazardly in a situation like this. But you can't just give up like that, man.
Yeah.
Like, I know yesterday. Okay, one thing I really want to clear out, because the amount of comments I've seen about this is crazy. Everybody's like, why wasn't Oscar allowed to overtake Lando for Max?
He didn't
Okay.
ask for an overtake first thing, I think.
No. When drivers say stuff like this, na, that I'm faster.
Yeah, he's just
He
saying
means-
ask him to be faster.
No. That's
I
how
understood.
drivers say it,
I
right?
understood, definitely, yeah. But I think the fact that, see, we've already mentioned that this year in his contract, it is there that he also can be the main driver. So I think it's good
But
for
he
him
didn't
to...
get it.
to Guys, I'm going to do something which
That's
I'm going
what?
to get up. Wait, let it roll.
Let this roll. Let the audience see how he walked into a light.
You guys should know that we are our own. We have people.
That's not true. There are literally 3 people sitting on the other
We
side
have
of the
our people.
camera. We are very expensive, okay? Don't
we are-
think.
we're not very
We're not
expensive.
sasta people, okay? Very expensive. So you better subscribe fast so we can get some money out of it. Otherwise,
You're saying
fire
we're
नहीं
expensive,
इसका.
plus you're saying hope we can get some money.
Yeah, of course. Because the amount of money we're putting into this, we need to get out now from
That's
somewhere.
true, guys. That's true.
I'm
वो तो
always
मिलना
right.
चाहिए, वो तो मिलना चाहिए.
Okay, sorry. Coming back to McLaren. What I wanted to clarify in that situation is, firstly, yes, Oscar said that he's faster than Lando. Yes, he might have been, but again, Oscar was not asked to hold position, was he? Or
No.
did I miss it? No, I
There
don't
was
think
no, there was nothing from the team.
Oscar, as per what I remember, guys, you can correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Because I might just be. I won't, but sure. You can correct me if I'm wrong. But from what I heard, from what I heard, my ears. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna start again. Okay, you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but from what I heard during the race was Oscar said Lando needs to pick up his pace because I am faster than him right now. To which the team said, yes, Lando is slow because he's taking care of his tires. Right? Lando kept going close and far away from Max. Then there was no, what do you call it?
Towards the end, there was at one point
No,
where Piastri got close
there
to
was
his
no, from the team,
clarity.
there was no direction as such that you are not supposed like hold position like how they had done in the the first race of the in Australia. That he wasn't asked to hold position this time, but he also tried to overtake, and then Lando was also told on the radio that you need to pick up your speed
Pace.
because Oscar is behind you and he's getting all your
Tailing.
dirty air. So it was not that this was not told, and Lando after that did pick up his pace also. And the reason he was sorting his tires because he was planning to go for that one last zoop in the end where he can just ruin all those tires and try and take Max, which was happening because there was a time that Lando was very close to Max. Oscar also kept trying to overtake Lando. It is not that he was asked to stop. So please don't say that लैंडो को प्रेफरेंस दी जा रही है नहीं दी जा रही है उसको
preference. But what my point is, Piastri has been on the receiving end now for at least 2 races.
Receiving in what way?
In terms of I think he is the one who has that little extra pace than Lando.
That's
he
not
wants
true.
to try and from at least what we see when there is a certain point in the race.
That's what I'm saying. The reason the car in front of him was slower
Because of the
was
tires.
because he was asked to manage his tires. It was not that he was driving slowly.
So
he was asked to manage his tires. It was a team
Lando,
decision.
It's basically protecting Lando.
No.
So what if they made way for Piastri to go ahead of Lando?
Then what would
Put
have
the
happened?
pressure on
But
Max.
Piastri Lando पे pressure नहीं डाल पा रहा है and you want him to fucking add a
But he
pressure
got
on Max.
close, no? There were
Did he
moments where
overtake?
That's a different thing.
That is the thing. Had the team asked them to not, like, when it happened in Australia, I was like, okay, but then also was a reason because it was a chicane, the Australia one. Now I don't remember the whole detail of it, but ye wala I remember very clearly. He wasn't asked to hold position. They were open to race against each other.
So according to you, you're saying this is a great strategy still.
Strategy regardless. I feel McLaren needs to take a few risks. I feel right now they are in that thinking, if we get a P2 and P3, we'll be still ahead in the constructors.
Yeah,
It's good. Your drivers are also thinking about your constructors, but when are you going to think about your drivers? McLaren needs to now quickly make a 1-2 decision like every other team because these 2 number 1 drivers is going to take them down into the woods.
Yeah, because McLaren are now 111 points. On the second place, you have Mercedes with 75. Red Bull is on third with 61.
That's just Max.
And then comes Ferrari with 35.
So,
We're not mentioning
the
Ferrari.
61 Max
Red
points
Bull.
that you have, na,
All Max.
61 is also Max in the Drivers' Championship.
So
it's all Max. Yeah, it's all Max.
Definitely.
So, वो तो बात की बात है, but I feel McLaren is doing okay. I understand taking risk at the wrong time can really affect you and cost you a race. But yesterday, the P4, Leclerc was P4, right, yesterday?
No.
Who was it?
Russell, right?
No, Russell was P5.
Starting, you mean?
No. Ending of the race.
Russell.
Russell's P4?
Yeah.
Fuck, yeah. He was
Leclerc
my P3
was 6,
in my... He was my P3 in my predictions.
Acha. That's why it's in your mind.
Yeah. So, what was I saying? Yesterday, the 4th car, P4 Russell, was 12 seconds behind them. Even if they had tried to, for example, let Oscar pass
Yeah.
and see if he can get it. He wouldn't have because the pace wasn't there.
But I would have liked to see him at least given him the chance कि यार चलो करो कुछ इस race में, because it was any which ways.
Okay, now why would a team not do this? I'll tell you why. Firstly, Japan, the circuit has become very similar to Monaco, where overtaking just doesn't happen for some reason. And yesterday was a boring race, even the drivers said so. Now the thing is, the main thing about tracks like these is how good you qualify, which is based on just you, right, as a driver. Now, if one of my driver has qualified better than the other person, and they are in P2 because of their thing, I can't just expect them to be like, oh, you did your best, but now, you know what, we want to see what fun can happen from the other side. As a team, you cannot break your driver's ego like that, especially when he is not bad. Like, again, this could have happened if it was a easier equation, like how they had Lewis and Valtteri. कि पता है अगर Valtteri आगे है and Lewis पीछे है तो there is no questions asked. But McLaren also has this up for themselves, na?
Yeah, because
they have not given a 1 and 2.
Yeah, that's what I was coming to.
That's
वहाँ पे तो it was crystal clear कि Valtteri.
That's why I'm saying
Valtteri
McLaren.
Not even 2, Valtteri was 3.
Yeah, that's why I can't speak about this enough, that McLaren needs to make that decision ASAP as to who is their top driver and who is not. And I understand Zach is also playing a very smart game like this, because it's like giving both of them the hope that you are number one, so they're also going hard at it, which honestly is their job. They should. But still, this always adds an extra thing, because if you're a second driver, you're just like, oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, I also don't understand how Piastri doesn't qualify above Lando.
Because Lando is a better driver, and people have this pain in their ass to understand this. I don't get it. Why?
I'm not saying.
No,
I'm
not
saying
just
it's a
you.
bad
I'm
thing.
not speaking about you. Everybody else, they're like, oh, Lando's a shit driver. Piastri's better.
I'm not saying he's a shit driver.
I know.
I love both of them.
Everybody goes like Piastri is a better driver than Lando. Where are the points? Show me. Who went off in Australia? Was it Oscar? Oh, yeah, it was. If you can't fucking hold your tits at the right time, then sorry, I can't say this. If you can't hold your ground at the right moment, then that's all it boils down to. Piastri fucked up Australia for himself. No, it was not a car decision. It was not a team decision. It was just Piastri, and it's okay. Every driver makes mistakes. It's a wet track. It was hard race. I'm not taking anything away from Piastri. Piastri is also a great driver. He has immense amount of potential that a lot of people are thinking that he can be world champion. And I'm not taking anything out of that or away from that. But it's just that whether they like it or not, but Lando has really pulled his game, especially after last year to this year. You can see a change in his thought, in his behavior, in his dynamics. He is doing better.
I think that's also something we discussed in the first podcast, where we've seen some kind of maturity in the way he's really treating this race.
He's just chill now. I think uska na, oh, I broke this. Uska na, like, I feel he had this pressure on himself that he's not made his team win anything till now. And that pressure got moved last year. So now he's just driving for himself. I think that's where the difference is. Until last year, he had things to prove that, oh, he had never won a race. Oh, McLaren was finally doing better. Everybody was like, oh, Lando can't win a race. No, Lando, no wins. There was so much pressure he was dealing with. And what we keep forgetting is, at the end of the day, these are 23, 24, 25-year-old boys. Like, they are not mature people. They are children. And if you have an older brother or a younger brother who's 24, 25, you know the amount of pressure that they take. And imagine that being on an international stage where people are shitting on you, giving you death threats and stuff. It's a lot to take for a young person.
When you said young person, it reminds me of the next one.
Kimi.
Kimi, obviously we'll come to him, but there was so much build up about Yuki, Lawson for this race specifically. I think they were the highlights, and suddenly the focus shifted to Max entirely. Like, the build up was such कि what's going to happen between Yuki, Lawson, क्या होने वाला है, ये वो, another Red Bull car. Some of them were like, maybe Yuki may not do well, Lawson would finish ahead of him.
बिकॉज भाई उस रेड बुल की सेकंड सीट में अब तुम किसी भगवान को भी बिठा दोगे ना
नहीं
वो
होने
नहीं
वाला
कर पाएगा बिकॉज इट्स नॉट द
But he's taken it as an open challenge,
It
man.
is
In
not
press
the driver.
conference and all, so he's so full flat out there, right? Yuki is
And
like,
Yuki has to, okay. Yuki's situation is something. It's a spiral. I'll tell you why and how. Okay.
tell us also what, while you give us that, also what will happen if Yuki is not able to perform the next 2 races because Lawson finished ahead of him.
Nothing. Nothing
still
will
be in that
happen
seat.
because Marco has said that Yuki will get the remainder of the season no matter what. They can't keep switching like
Remainder.
this because if they keep doing this 3-4 times, then everybody else is gonna be like, what the fuck? ये कोई रूल चल रहा है क्या? That just because you have 2 teams तुम shift कर रहे हो तुम Max को कल डाल दो फिर week out
So
में.
you're saying they will not change the car mid-season? ऐसा कुछ
I'll
नहीं
tell
करेंगे?
you. I'll tell you. So, Yuki, let's first start with Yuki. This is Yuki's last chance to get a seat
Where? He already has a seat.
anywhere. Hear
अच्छा,
me out.
अच्छा,
Hear me out.
हाँ.
Why? Yuki is a paid driver. You know what is a paid driver? There are few drivers on the grid that are paid, and there are few drivers on the grid that are merit. By merit, I mean like they come from driver academies and stuff like that.
Like a Kimi, you mean?
Kimi is, yeah, I don't think Kimi is a paid driver. Kimi is a driver. Now, paid driver, what I mean by paid driver is there are certain drivers that get sponsorships from companies to let them race. For example, Joe from last Kick Sauber, he was a paid driver.
So Honda is
Honda,
backing.
Yuki is also a paid driver by Honda.
Correct.
Every year, Honda pays around 10 million
Yeah.
just so that Yuki can get to drive in a racing bull. Now, last year, they mentioned that, listen, bro, I had actually done a video on this on my Instagram.
We
but
spoke about it here also.
What? This one?
Yeah, that.
Oh, interesting.
I think we also read about it somewhere. Ki they gave it to them last year, but
But they said no.
no.
But this year, okay, so we know about that. Great. So I'll move forward. So
Batai though, but just there is some new person who's just watching us right
okay.
now.
So
This year
Honda,
once again, 10 million. आया.
last year, not this year, last year Honda had come to them and listen bro, next year is our last race with you because after that Honda is going to Aston Martin, right? So they said this is our last race with you. Why don't you take an extra 10 million and just give Yuki the Red Bull seat?
Right.
And Horner and everybody was like, no. Because we think Lawson or whatever is a better driver. Whatever conversation happened between them,
Fair.
we just saw the result of it that Lawson got the seat before Yuki. Now, 2 races and they realize कि ये तो नहीं हो रहा है. And Red Bull right now is very adamant and egoistic to accept the fact that the car is the problem. Now that is also a big thing. I'll tell you about that. It all goes back to the factory, but वो मैं बताऊंगी, ये वाला बताती हूँ. So then what happened? Honda was also a part of this discussion where Lawson was not performing well. So then what did Horner went to Honda and said, listen, the 10 million offer, do you still have it? To Honda. And Honda was like, yeah, our next race is Japan Grand Prix. That's our home race. If we have a home driver in our big car, we are gonna make tons of money. And this is also the last time to make money, right? Because iske baad Aston Martin, I don't know what will happen, where will happen. With Red Bull, they have had a long relationship. They've also won a lot of like championships and stuff. So it's special.
Yeah.
So but for Red Bull, it was also monetarily great. So now this is all done. Yuki has come. Yuki could not perform because car is not great, but Yuki was still very close to Max in the practice sessions and everything. Much better than Lawson.
And
Yuki, definitely for him, this car suits him a little better than it's
because he's aggressive also, and also your first races, so I think it's fine.
नहीं, first race का इतना कुछ नहीं है, मैं बताती हूँ. Okay, what is the issue with the Red Bull car? The Red Bull car is made in such a way that the front is very sharp. That's how Max wanted it in 2021, okay? The front
It's
is very
basically
sharp.
made for Max only. We all
Not
know about
anymore.
it.
Not anymore. That's what I'm getting to that. Wow, I do have a lot of info. Crazy, right? That's how you watch this. So, wow. So Max, what was I saying? I totally forgot.
Max in the front, he wants it
Ha,
sharp.
no. So initially, when the car was made, it was made in a situation where the front is so sharp for easy turns. But now with all the that worked really well in 2021, 2022, 2023. Actually, that came in 2022 is when this sharp thingy came. Okay, 2022 they fucking went out. 2023 is also not great. 2024 onwards they realized कि oh ये तो नहीं चल रहा है. 2023 maybe even Perez had said that this car is not working but nobody listened to him because Max was following. If you remember that meme, I have it all printed out. If you have a problem, change your fucking car. It's the same meeting. It is that meeting.
Acha,
That was
Toto and,
2022.
yeah,
Exactly. That's the meeting where Checo said that is not a thing, but nobody listened. Since then, what happened is that okay, now that the front is so sharp, after changes and changes, what happened that their back of the car has no balance anymore. So every time you turn, you're supposed to have some grip at the back, right? So it stays. Now what happened, the moment you turn, it goes zoop. Because there is no balance left at the rear of the car. And now even after the drivers are like, I was actually reading this because I want to make a video about it, but now not anymore. You have the details. But now that, that is happening, so many people are not being able to understand the car because it's not drivable. And now the issue is the engineers, they thought कि हमने 2023 में जो गाड़ी बनाई वो तो चल रही है देखो, you won the championship, now how can you tell us that it's not working? But it's not working. The process of car and upgrades is that engineers will make the car, the driver will drive it, and then the driver will give their feedback, to which the engineers will take it back to the factory and change it in certain way and bring it back. Now what's happening, they are not listening to the drivers anymore. Neither Max. Max has said it multiple times in interviews that अब मेरी भी कोई बात नहीं सुन रहा है. Nobody is listening to me also as to what to do with the car.
Because
and
he's going
knowing
next
Max,
year.
no, it's not fixed yet. If they keep doing this, of course he's gone. That we'll talk in a different episode, okay? So, no, सब कुछ एक episode में नहीं मिलेगा. So, Max, shit यार, मेरी chain of thought
तू नहीं कर दी.
हाँ मैं नहीं करी है यार. So Max has also mentioned, but again Max is not a person who will go out and tell everything in detail to the media because Max doesn't like the media also. So he's been very cryptic about it. Even the Lawson wala thing, he liked that post about it. Why are you laughing? Huh?
I'm listening
That
seriously.
was so funny. You want to tell the entire class the joke?
Just don't want to share it with a teacher.
Fucking hell.
Say.
Okay. So third time where my chain of thought is broken. I love this game.
I was listening, dude. Like a
अरे
proper-
but मेरा टूट गया ना.
sorry.
अरे I'm fucking with you. Wait, what was I saying?
That
Yeah,
no
so
one's
Max
listening,
Max is also not a person who will go out and tell everything to the media, right? Because guess who he hates more than anything else? Media. So I mean he's gonna be very careful about that. So he hasn't been very vocal. Even the Lawson wala thing, where that one ex-driver said that how Lawson was dealt with was kind of bullying. He was in a way bullied that तुम पहली बार तुम उसको ला रहे हो, तुम 2 रेस में रख के उसको भगा रहे हो, like that's bullying. That's not cool. And just because you have a separate second team, Max had liked that post. And on Thursday, on the media day, they had asked Max that what are your thoughts? What did you think about it and all? He's like, you saw the like. I didn't like it by mistake. That's all I'll say. So he's also a person that who will not open everything up to the media, but there is tension in the Red Bull garage because the engineers are not listening, and the car, if Max is telling you the car is not drivable, it means it's not drivable. But again, after seeing Japan, the car was not that bad.
I think a new paint worked for them, dude.
Dude, they should keep it white,
Yeah,
man.
shouldn't
It's
they keep it
gorgeous.
white? If
But-
this had come out during the livery time, I think it would have been.
Yeah, but Red
making
Bull
the
can never do
noise.
that, na. Red Bull will not do that because Red Bull brand color is blue.
I know.
Fucking hell. But it's okay. This is the shit we get when we can get this, but it's okay. But never mind. Yeah, moving on. So that is the why did we start this conversation? The Max one?
Lawson and Yuki we were talking about, and then it went to how the car is.
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it
yeah.
really for Yuki? And
It's
then you
actually
bought-
for no one. Just thanks. To answer your question, actually for no one. Max is also not happy with it, with just that Red Bull has a driver who can make any fucking shitty car into something else.
So-
like even on Saturday. Sorry, yeah, what?
No.
No.
See, first you mentioned about
Even on
because I
Saturday,
was gonna tell-
Alonso का interview चल रहा था when Max was doing his flying lap, okay, and this is on camera, okay, and Alonso is just looking at the screen, he's just going just like this, he's like, and the reporter asked him, what is it? He's like, only he can do it. If there is a driver, he's literally the best we have in the business right now. If there is a driver who can take a car which is not even close to being top 5 in a quali and make it P1, that's only Max Verstappen. And if every driver in the grid knows that how undrivable the Red Bull car is, there has to be some truth to it, right?
Definitely.
Because drivers also talk amongst themselves.
Yeah.
The Red Bull right now is not drivable. Even if you put fucking Senna into it, it's not going to be drivable.
Definitely. He's become too old.
Yeah, and Senna is dead.
I'm just trying to throw some shade at you. It's getting too serious, dude.
I gasped. I was like,
What? Next, aane de.
but yeah, it's no matter who you put in the car, you will not be able to see results. Now the thing is, now how can they fix this? They can fix this. Every car is fixable. In 2022 also, initially McLaren was P20. They fixed it with what? Upgrades. That's how your cars get fixed, with upgrades. So now the thing is,
But now we have like 2 back-to-back weekends. Saudi.
you can bring upgrades
and,
anytime. I can actually check.
No,
if you
but
want.
is it enough time? My point being, is it enough time?
So these upgrades, they don't get made on the spot. These upgrades are also they are happening in the factory since God knows when.
Transportation वगैरह में time लग जाएगा ना, but now that you're
नहीं.
moving car from
बाबू.
here to back to Saudi, nothing.
See, every time after a race, you dismantle the entire car anyway. So I don't think upgrades को लाने में time है. I think when you get a car only na, you already have a basic plan as to what all upgrades you're gonna bring. As to what all upgrades you're gonna bring throughout the year and all of that. So of course those things get changed as per how the car is performing. But right now the only thing that can save Red Bull is, number one, they need to fucking spit their ego out and accept that the car is not okay. And second, they need to bring out great upgrades, which I think Bahrain people are getting upgrades. A lot of Ferrari got an upgrade right now.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Before this race.
Oh, before. You just killed my vibe, dude.
I mean,
I was like Saudi ke liye, if there's something that you
I
know.
thought he knew most of it. What's happening?
Arey, that though everything is fine. I thought there is a proper
No,
upgrade.
no,
You said first Saudi, then you said Ferrari got an upgrade. So
This
I linked it
week-
to like one more.
Yeah, Delulu fans aise. Ferrari, yeah, I get you. But yeah, Ferrari did get an upgrade this
That is okay.
weekend,
That
but
upgrade didn't work at
I
all.
guess it didn't work as much. But that's how you. It's a
Yeah.
Trial and
That's how it's
refusal.
been for Ferrari.
yeah. It's like trial and refusal. Every time you bring upgrades, you see if it works. Sometimes an upgrade ruins your car also.
Yeah, that's
that's
true.
what the upgrade did to Red Bull last year, right? After the first 8 races they won, then they got an upgrade, and that upgrade,
Very good. I'm happy for them.
why?
Because Orange Army won last year.
Papaya, yeah, fair. Like that, huh?
Yeah.
But coming to that, I feel these two things, and the third thing is, if you keep doing this, Max is gonna off, as you were saying. That I don't think Max is gonna be here for too long if this.
It'll be
goes on.
interesting actually for me to see an Aston Martin also win next year. Like Max and Aston Martin, green car.
If Max goes, Max is going to Mercedes.
Yeah, I heard about that, which we also spoke.
I
But
think Mercedes is a bigger option than Aston Martin right now, because even if you look at the points and the
I don't know how Lewis is going to
constructors
feel
and
about all this,
everything.
dude. I'm feeling so, some of the legends that I love right now. I don't know why I only like these people, man.
Losers.
Like in cricket also, there is like an MS Dhoni who's not having a great
He's
time
not
right
having
now.
a good time.
Right now, no. And he's playing for a franchise.
Ah,
There are so
Chennai.
much spoken about him. And again, I think with Ham also is the same thing. Like it's become like they're all in their old age. I would say like post 40.
They're seniors.
Seniors.
Let's just say,
yeah, seniors. But I mean, I don't know. I'm just feeling for them. Like
Aw.
it's not the great.
I mean, see, it's too soon to rule anything out, honestly.
No,
It's
definitely.
only 3 races Ferrari is going to get. And honestly, bro, everybody in the world, who even the person who doesn't even know Formula 1 knows that Ferrari is all when it comes to teams and strategy and everything. Come on. Lewis knew what he was getting into, man. And it's just that it's just unlucky.
So I'm sure that there's something in his mind which said, "Yaar,
Yeah.
even after having all of these things about Ferrari, paisa is to there."
See,
but
मैं
I'm
बता दूँ तुझे.
No,
ठीक है?
let me
ठीक है,
finish
okay,
this.
okay.
What I'm trying to say
Yeah.
is that I think with Lewis, it's not just about money. That's one thing.
Okay.
Which I feel personally.
Fair.
Definitely, yes, money is one, but he is someone with a mentality who wants to win. Like
Okay,
usko jeetna
fair
hai,
enough.
hungry for win.
Yeah.
So definitely, yes, money has been one aspect of joining Ferrari, but I think something would have been there when he spoke,
Honestly,
on that
Ferrari
table.
was great last year also. Na? See,
Yeah.
even if you see 2023.
Third, na they were.
Yeah. Even if you... No, second.
Wasn't
Second
Red
in
Bulls?
constructors.
Acha.
Third. Red Bull was third. No, but even if you see last year and last to last year, the only other team to have won a race except Red Bull in 2023 was a Ferrari. There was...
Why was it like
It was
in
Carlos Sainz.
2023? What was that?
No, I forgot. in like 2023, not 2024, because 2024 we had 7 new winners. But 2023, the only team that won except of Red Bull was Ferrari.
Science.
But
Science was the one.
what we don't understand, it was not Red Bull. The only 2 races that Sainz won is because he asked the strategy people to off on
Yeah.
those 2 races.
Which he
That's
got.
how he won. So I think Hamilton must have misunderstood that. And okay, of course, I'm not Hamilton's best friend, so he didn't tell me this, but this is what I think that he thought while signing to Ferrari. See, Ferrari is one of the most famous teams in the world. People who don't have jack shit idea about Formula 1 are wearing Ferrari clothes and they know what Ferrari is. Ferrari is a brand. Ferrari is a lifestyle in a way, right? For any Formula 1 driver to have Ferrari in their list of teams is groundbreaking. Even like that's why even Vettel had fucking gone to Ferrari. Vettel was in Ferrari. There was like name any good driver.
you
Alonso was
saying-
in Ferrari. Raikkonen was in Ferrari. These,
I
everybody
agree with
wants
you.
to be
I
in
agree.
Ferrari.
I'm saying I agree with you as that's a part of it.
Yeah, I'm also just starting my answer. So Ferrari is one of the Ferrari. I see. Honestly, I don't hate Lewis. I just say
No, I know
hate
you don't
him
hate him.
because
I just want to.
I love
I want to be
annoying
fair
him.
to. I want to be fair to.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything to your pookie pie. Don't worry. So I feel what he thought was firstly Ferrari as a brand to be a part of is great. Secondly, Lewis knows that these next few years are going to be the last few years of him in Formula 1. Not everybody is an Alonso, and I don't think Lewis also wants to be an Alonso. He just wants to win one more title and go. I think that's what I think.
You're making me teary.
But it's sad.
There's
I
this
know.
one-
I'll also cry when Max
one drop
retires.
is coming here.
I have a feeling Max will retire before Hamilton, but that's a different topic. Please don't make me lose my chain of
अरे
thought.
आंसू आ रहे हैं यार ये क्या है?
Roll it, roll. You want anybody has tissues?
That's the problem. It's not there. That's why don't make me cry. Chal.
Acha. Fucking hell, dramabaz. And I feel the third part, like the third point of this is, yeah, as I say, the next few years are for him are going to be his last few years. Okay, so firstly, he will of course see something that is going to sort him financially, something that will sort him brand wise. And last year, Ferrari did show a lot of promise, and Mercedes showed none. So Lewis ka idea for me is either like I want to win my 8th championship. Ferrari is a decent car. They were P2 in constructors. Their strategy and all had gotten better. The car was fine. So all of that added, and then he just forgot that at the end of the day, hai to wo Ferrari. No matter what you do, Ferrari is going to rip you apart, and that's what's happening with him right now. And Mercedes out of nowhere became like not bad this year. And honestly, I still have a feeling that Russell is wasting that seat in the Mercedes, because if there was a science in that seat, he would have gotten better positions in podiums. Because the last 2 races where Russell was on podium, it was because the third person just crashed out or something happened. It was not because he was third. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
I'm not-
Like he was not visible. So anybody else on that seat could bring Mercedes to a better spot, and I think Toto knows this. That's why also he's after Max. This is all it's the same triangle. One person leaves and everything falls off it, and that's what's happening right now. Russell doesn't have a seat for next year, and why do you think Toto's not signing him? That's his first driver, isn't it? Isn't Toto not scared that he might go to another team next year? There are 6 drivers who do not have a seat.
Can there be a chance even Hamilton decides to leave Ferrari next year?
No.
He will be, you're saying.
कहाँ
कुछ भी
जाएगा
होने
वो?
दे.
Where will he go?
What if an Aston Martin says,
No.
chalo, we are not
No.
getting Max, we bring the showstopper
No.
to the green
See,
side
Lewis
of it.
is also doing Ferrari for the lineage of Ferrari. He doesn't want
That
to
is
be one
true.
of those drivers
That
who
is
will be in
true.
Ferrari for 1 year. No.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. Because, yeah, I think his dreams of his
Yeah, which is
8th
fair, which we
championship is
spoke
also
about.
slowly getting a little low because there are
Nahi.
there are
That
better
statement, I
drivers
think
who are
that-
doing better right now with better teams.
Which is
McLaren is flying. Chalo, Lando fucks up. McLaren has 2 really good drivers. Fucks up the other ones there. So McLaren's there. Then if McLaren को तुमने कुछ भी करके हटा दिया, there is fucking there is Max. He will be in an auto and he will go P1.
Someone said, I saw a tweet which said that the headline should be a man in a tractor
Yeah.
won the Japanese Grand Prix.
Yeah, and like look at the haters now. Also, they're like, "Oh, Max is just acting that they don't have fast car." I'm like,
Say it. Everyone says that word here.
yeah, but पागल है क्या? ऐसी क्या मतलब? What the fuck? But ठीक है, that is besides our point. But I feel Max to Merc looks a little doable, to be very honest. Apparently, gossip. Apparently, Zach also reached out to Max.
Really?
Yeah, and then
कुछ नया
Max
है.
was asked on in an interview that what is it? This was Chinese GP gossip. That's that I forgot to give you here. So apparently Zach had reached out to ask for Max's stuff with his management before signing Piastri again for a year. And then Max को पूछा and they said, yeah, कुछ तो बात हुई थी, but I think they ran away very quickly once they understood how much they would have to pay me. So Zach also reached out and then he
Went for
re-signed Piastri again. And why do you think George is not being signed? Tell me that. Like George is Mercedes ka number 1 driver, na? Kimi is number 2. How is it that the number 2 has a seat and number 1 is not signed yet for next year?
This is something that I got from Drive to Survive. I think what we were seeing was where the first chance that Toto got, right, he didn't want to make George his first driver. I think he was on the lookout first for a first driver. Then in one of the races that George won, he was like, TK, I think George is kind of getting mature and starting to prove himself. Maybe that's the reason we'll try and make him a first driver and let's bring in a second driver. Just to answer your question, right? So I don't think so. That was Toto's first thought, to make George the first driver. Definitely he's
Nobody
become a
likes
first
it.
driver here. Yeah, I know. But I think, yeah, like you mentioned, that can change. Coming back to where we started with, right? Japanese Grand Prix. We spoke about Yuki and Lawson. We also spoke about the Orange Army. How about we get to Isaac? What did you make of him, dude?
मैं आइजैक पे बिल्कुल नजर नहीं डालना चाहती.
No, but अच्छा है, like P7.
Please let that man do what he's doing. He's so cute. He said in an interview, he like, you know what? I didn't get points in Australia and what was that?
Chinese.
China, because I wanted to get it on Honda's last race in Japan. He's a cutie like that. I think he's a great driver. He's good. He has promise. He is performing well. He has a decent car which is drivable, and he's making the most out of it.
He's helping the memes also.
He's helping the memes. He's great with PR when it comes to Red Bulls. Like, have you seen the reels and all they do with Isaac? It's hilarious. I am enjoying Isaac right now. I don't want to get very much into Isaac just to, like, you know, unglify him and make it worse. I just want I will give it 2-3 more races before I make any head-on judgment about Isaac, because I think it's there, but it's not consistent right now.
ठीक है. उसके बाद हम जाएंगे to a few silent spectators, I would say, who are still making those थोड़ा सा lower down the grade. We
Ollie
spoke about,
Bevan.
which is
Oh,
I was
sorry.
coming to I was coming to him, but I was going to mention Williams first. They've been getting points almost every race now, starting from Australia.
Science hasn't gotten a single
Science
point
hasn't, but
in all of race.
Albon has.
He was in. Do you know why I know? He was in my fantasy team, and then I had to kick him out.
Kick him out.
I kicked him.
But he'll come back. I'm telling you. I have a lot of hopes on Science.
Science is still getting used to the car. The car is not working for him. Even Albon is not happy with the car. Yesterday,
Yeah, because he's dropped Australia P5, फिर China कितना था? P7 I think.
yeah, P7.
And अभी P9.
नहीं चाइना का मुझे नहीं पता, but Albon is P7 in.
I think so.
I don't know, man.
But
इतना
here he was
science
P9,
नहीं
yeah.
पता मुझे. But see, Williams, Albon was not happy yesterday because I remember this one radio message very clearly where he was like, "This is the same problem that we were discussing all week."
Right.
So there is definitely something that's not getting done properly, and if that gets sorted, then maybe Albon can do better.
But I
I'm
think
very
it will,
happy
because
for him
Williams as a team
because he
looks-
finally, like all this while, nobody paid heed to Williams. Even generally, like
Yeah.
nobody cared about the Williams drivers. Albon has been driving for Williams for what, 4 years now.
But I
Nobody would
mentioned
give
at the start, it's the
Yeah.
team principal for me who I think I would place the bet on and be like, he
it's
can bring the
also
vibe.
science, because science, whether we like we accept it or not, he's a great driver, that's one thing, but he's also very good with media, people, following, fan, eyeballs. Science is one of the only drivers where I have realized whenever
Strategy, you mean, basically.
whenever I make any content about science, it always goes boom. Any other driver, not really. Max, not really. Lewis, not really. Lando, not really. Science, yes. Because he has that amount of eyeballs, he has that amount of people who's really supporting him, and especially after the whole Ferrari backstabbing bullshit, people have gotten more into him. So because of Science, all those eyeballs have also gone to Williams,
And his,
which was not there before.
Would you want to try his burger? He has a burger company, no?
Sure. Wow. What?
Oh, sorry. let me frame this better. Would you want to try
You cannot frame this better.
Yeah,
It cannot.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Moving on to things that actually matter. uh, so I feel Albon right now he's finally getting what he deserves, and I think I like the whole driver pairing of Sainz and Albon also, because these are both drivers that feel like they want to do it for the team.
Yeah.
And that I think will bring Williams way ahead in the future.
I made this prediction, I don't know if you all watched, that I would want to see Williams at P3 in the constructors
Yeah,
this
I
year.
laughed at you, I remember.
She laughed at me, and
Yeah.
currently Williams on the constructors are at 5, which is close to P3. But guys, I just feel, I don't know. I don't want to say anything. I'm just saying that maybe they can work hard as a team, and I think they can get back together.
Oh, Williams.
Yeah.
P3.
P3 looks a little difficult. Yeah. Look at
That's why I laughed.
Red Bull is at 61 and Williams are at 19. So that's a huge gap to fill. Unless
And Red Bull has one driver.
चलना उतना भी अभी
Red Bull has
ठीक है,
one
we are
driver.
giving
Williams has two.
we are giving
So no.
Max.
I'm saying, hear me out. I'm saying Red Bull has one driver. Williams has two. Though it's not that hard for Williams to come to get
Again.
more points.
Uh-huh.
Yes, but again, I have a feeling that Red Bull has figured it out with their Japanese GP, because Max was fast and both the McLaren said that he was not, like, we were not able to overtake him. So there has to be something that worked. Like, I'm not saying the car is back to perfect, because Yuki is still P15. P15? P12?
Yuki was
P15.
P12 and
P15.
no P14
P14,
13,
P13 is
14,
Lawson.
13, 14.
Yeah. So definitely ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ great हो गया है, but there could be something that at least has worked for Max, and that we'll only get to see all of this in Bahrain, and I will also read up about this if they are bringing up any new upgrades in Bahrain, because I have a feeling a lot of teams are gonna, like, normally also in the calendar Bahrain always gets updates. Because
Bahrain is also very exciting proposition.
Street track,
Yeah.
lots of overtakes, cool track, like fun places, high speed corners. So all of these things, is that a high speed corner, low speed corners, street track?
Hemika can tell us. While you think about
I
it,
think it's high speed corners.
ठीक है. While we think about it, I was also going to last and final few segments that we had here.
Yes.
Was obviously Jack Doohan. Like you mentioned to us,
Does
it could be the end for him, which I definitely feel it is, because हमारा दूसरा बंदा, which is Colapinto, guys, who has been practicing somewhere else, someplace far, and I think he's going to make an entry for Alpine very soon. Hemika ji, your thoughts on it?
already testing.
That's what
There
I
were
just-
news, yeah,
yeah.
He's already testing. So, and this was known. I mean, like now I'm
So
tired of.
you had said 4 races, 3
Yeah.
are already done.
Yeah,
Saudi is the last,
yeah,
and उसके बाद तो complete tata bye bye.
yeah.
So nothing to expect from
See?
Jack, anyways.
Bahrain is a mix of high speed and low speed corners.
Wow.
That's why it's so interesting. Sorry, I
I
just
think
had
we should
to read
start a
this one out.
segment, study tracks with me, F1 tracks, and I think a lot of us would.
I'll get bored with that.
Arey, but you can make it a short snippet, no?
I am actually starting an F1 for beginners
Yeah?
thing
Wow.
for everyone.
Subscription नहीं क्या कैसा है?
Like
Where but
On
free where?
Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna shoot it in my vacation spot.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can't reveal what.
No, I have like 18 pages of like things that I want to do. So
On your vacation.
like no of this F1 thing only.
F1.
Only F1 is 18 pages. Others is there.
Acha,
I will be working. Yes.
Crazy.
But yeah, I think honestly, now I'm tired of talking about the Colapinto Doohan thing because like every race we see it, it's happening, and it's not Doohan's fault. I just feel very bad. And if you're telling me that Lawson was bullied, Doohan is not being bullied any less. He's a rookie. He already has so much pressure on him as a rookie. And then you're signing somebody and then saying, "Oh, हम तुम्हें 4 race बाद हटा देंगे." Then why are you signing? Don't fucking sign only, na. That is such a weird place to put. Like these guys are 21-year-old यार. तू बता, तू 21 साल की उम्र है. Imagine you have played cricket all your life and at 21 you get a chance at ODI. There are listen 2 matches, huh? Otherwise, he's waiting. You already have so much pressure of your first ODI. Then you have to have the pressure of not being in the playing 11 for the rest of your life. And this is where the difference is. A playing 11 in cricket is मैं ODI में नहीं तो मैं IPL खेल लूँगा. F1 में there is no IPL. F1 में if you have this, otherwise you're out. So all the hard work you've done in your entire life is gone.
This is a very interesting question that I have.
Go
If I get kicked out of an F1 team, can I go to F2?
No.
You can't.
Once you're an F1, you can't go to
You
F2.
have to just progress from.
Yeah, and once you're one F2 also you can't be in F2. If you're one F2, then you have to just wait. Yeah. So one of this like that guy waited for so long to get a seat and then he just didn't get it. That's why I want to name. But yeah, if you win F2, you can't be in F2 again. You have to wait for either F1 or go into other sorts of racing, like other sports of like NASCAR, Le Mans, and now they have Formula E and all of
Yeah.
that. A lot of people are going to Formula E and all, so good for them. But yeah, there are other things, but there's no other Formula 1. There is no other ODI. So that's the thing. I feel these things, but again, it's very easy for us to sit in a room and talk about these things, but what happens in teams will happen in teams anyway because there's so many sponsors people have to answer to. And yeah, man, like I honestly, I'm not very happy about the whole Doohan thing, but being very honest, like
He has nothing to show, so now you need
no,
something to at least.
you've put him under so much pressure, he's not being able to perform. Yeah.
So you're saying they shouldn't have told him like you will
No.
only get a chance at 4
Let
races. They should
him
have been
na.
like, हाँ,
Yeah.
तू कर ले season, then we'll see what happens.
No, season नहीं, तू बोल मत. तेरे को 4
Yeah, exactly my point.
अगर तेरे
That
को
we
4
just
races
signed
बाद
you.
say हाँ, just tell them we are signing you for 4 races. Don't tell them shit like oh I own you and I this and that like.
But the big
fucking
daddy is there, no?
Brator and all, हाँ,
Yeah.
Brator and all like this is like it's going to act against your team only if your driver is driving under so much pressure.
Yeah.
Like
which
driving
can be seen
in
already.
310 kilometers an hour, that's a lot of speed.
Yeah.
We keep forgetting about this. I know they are trained for this, blah, 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 but still, it's tough. Can you do it? No. So every time before hating on somebody and shitting on them, we need to sit here and understand that what they are doing, we'll never be able to do it. And that's very important in my, in my opinion. But yeah, this Doohan thing, I just want to see what happens because he's like, I know he's gonna go. He's not performing. He's crashing. He's
I
like
think
Logan Sargent. So it's
if there's
sad.
a high, there's a high. If there's a low, there's a low.
Yeah, it's nice. Logan has no high. Logan is just bye. But Duhan is like, I really thought he would do better, but it's not his fault. He got too much pressure, and I don't think he'll get another seat. Like uske saath bhi wahi hoga.
So coming to the last part of it,
Yes.
which is to just discuss the Haas. They have gotten a reserve driver today. Today morning, I saw an announcement. They've gotten some Japanese dude, I think, a new guy.
Hirakawa.
I think
Don't
so.
say Japanese dude. Give names now.
I
What
don't
is
know.
this?
I
Check-
swear I don't know.
Check and tell.
But you're there, na? So I thought ki,
What
you
am
know.
I? Google.
No, you're an F1 junkie. So you will know everything at the top of your head.
If you're getting a fact, get the full fact.
Are just we can just check. See, his name is also
Yes,
difficult
you
to
can
pronounce,
check.
dude.
Just write new Haas
No,
reserve.
yaar. Haas F1 team has done a proper this. Let me get you his name. It's Hirakawa.
Rio Hirakawa.
Yeah.
He's not a Haas reserve.
But this morning, Hirakawa.
Rio Hirakawa.
Rio.
Yeah, Rio. RYO, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Rio.
To MoneyGram Haas F1 team as an official reserve driver for 25 season 8 hours ago.
Dude, Rio Hirakawa, this is the third news I'm reading about him being a reserve driver for a team.
So they made an announcement today.
इससे पहले
The
he was
Japanese driver who currently competes for Toyota Gazoo Racing in the FIA World Endurance Championship joins the team following a successful outing at the post-season test in Abu Dhabi last December.
Rio Hirakawa also got signed by another team as a reserve. Wait. Because I remember
Oh, and what
he
does the
was
principal say, dude?
testing for McLaren also as a reserve.
Komatsu says it's a real pleasure to work with the racer
अरे यार,
of his driving acumen. Love
it's
it.
all.
He looks also pretty fancy, guys. Look at him. Look at his photo.
I know Rio Hirakawa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which
I
all
think he can be the
teams-
next Max Verstappen.
Which all teams have Rio?
Yeah, guys, but I think over and above, yaar, anything else that you want to discuss?
I want to fix this.
Okay, we have 5 minutes, so we'll fix it fast.
See, Rio did do a test for Alpine in Japan only for like practice. In
Abhi?
in
हाल ही में?
Duhan's Alpine, yeah.
Oh,
In FP1.
but why is he doing
Because-
it for Alpine when there is Colapinto already?
Colapinto is not allowed right now in a round.
But he is doing it
He's been asked, what
somewhere
testing
else.
है?
Somewhere else, no?
टेस्टिंग है वो, ये प्रैक्टिस की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. प्रैक्टिस 1 प्रैक्टिस 2 होता है ना.
Oh,
So this year, now 5 times you can give rookies to practice on your team, जो पहले 2 बार था. This was a new rule change that had come this year. So see now.
so you're saying
main
Alpine
info.
से निकल के हास में आ गया
तो
इसके बाद?
पहले he was McLaren. I remember McLaren also had him for a bit because Nick De Vries and Rio Hirakawa were doing testing for them to check, and De Vries didn't get it. Hirakawa I think got it, but we didn't see it. And then Alpine had him. Then now he drove Alpine for the practice
And
in Japan because he's also a Japanese driver.
Barator was not satisfied.
He was also a Japanese. No, satisfaction.
Oh,
There's
he was
nothing
not.
to do with anything.
Acha, nothing. Okay.
Maybe now he's gone to Haas.
Haas.
Now he is Haas's thing. You know, na Bottas is McLaren's reserve driver.
Yeah, now I know.
So
I read
this
that.
is very random now. Like any driver can be any
Anyone's
team's reserve
reserve
driver
driver.
at this point. But I just checked this. Rio has moved from Alpine. So Rio का तो Alpine वाला है ही.
कट गया.
हाँ. So yeah, good for Rio. He's had a lot of info. I don't honestly care about Rio right now because he's not gonna get a seat anytime soon. There are other people who are waiting, and Alpine में तो definitely. I think that's why also Rio moved because he knows Alpine has a lot of people who are waiting.
Fair. And
So-
they also have a big daddy who is a little dangerous. Who many
Not
drivers.
everybody is dangerous. Okay,
नहीं,
nobody's
but,
safe in
but
this.
Barator
world.
is like.
No, it's just how Netflix.
I told you
showed
he's a
him.
Pablo, yeah.
That's how Netflix showed him.
So you're saying he's a good guy.
No, nobody.
You said you won't do his PR that
I'm
time.
saying nobody is a good guy. That's what I'm
So
saying.
I'm just saying that
कोई
he's
दूध का
dangerous.
धुला हुआ नहीं है. Everybody is dangerous. Have you seen Toto? Have you seen Horner?
Toto's a good
what
guy.
Horner did?
I would
No.
stand for Toto, dude.
No,
He's a
Toto-
daddy.
Fuck people over in like
But that is-
2021. वही मैं कह रही हूँ, nobody is a good guy or a bad guy in this sport. Everybody is doing what they are doing because they are answerable to the sponsors. You know what I mean? अगर sponsors ने हटाया तो गाड़ी कहीं नहीं रहेगी. Nobody is a good guy or a bad guy. Nobody wants to be anybody's father. They just want to earn money and go home.
No, but I think, yeah, it is at some point some relationships are built over time.
Yeah,
like
what
a
happened to the Lewis
Hamilton-
and Toto one?
I was just coming to that. Lewis and Toto, 8 years, I think it
तो
was
क्या
a
हुआ?
fancy thing.
What was the 8 years for what? He was winning. He was winning. Now the 1 year he didn't win, what did Hamilton do?
He
Did he care
waited na
about the
one more year.
relationship?
2 साल
No,
नहीं
he
जीते
saw
उन
that
लोग.
1 year.
2 साल नहीं जीते.
हाँ,
together.
but वही
Second
ना,
year, I
at the
think.
end of the day, it's about, and again, Toto after Hamilton left, Toto said that I am glad we didn't have to do it and he left on his own. What do you mean by good relationship then? It's all business, bro. This is not relationship.
Which is fair. I'm not denying it. I'm
I am
just
not
saying
saying-
कि
all
at
I'm
some
saying
point
is it's
कि
all
relationship
business.
comes into the frame. Maybe over a point of time, once it's happened, you have to say these things to
I
the
think
media also.
I am too realistic as a
Practical.
person. Thank you. I'm too practical as a person to know that it's all crap. Agar kal Lando stops performing, you think Zach will be like, no, you're my son. I have a tattoo
No,
because of you,
that's
so you
fair.
be in my
That's
team.
fair. I understand.
Nope. Acha, chalo guys. I think we have spoken enough for
Way too much. Way too
for a
much.
weekend that didn't
Yeah.
nothing happened. So I think this episode could be one of those episodes that you can watch any time of the year.
Yeah.
Because this is just
Because we have some extra
details.
masala also. Yeah.
We just have masala only. We don't have chicken for the masala because nothing happened in the race.
And
so
she's a non-vegetarian, by the way.
I am. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We have covered a lot of things. We can actually cut a few reels out of this, alag and
Alag,
post
alag,
them.
alag. This can be one. Alag, 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 alag.
ये नशे करके आया क्या आज? क्या फूक के आया bro? Are you smoking these days?
No, bro, I'm not.
Okay. Let me just do an outro because he has lost his shit.
No, but I was going to come before you do that.
Okay.
Anything that the viewers should keep in mind for Bahrain?
Yeah, I really actually have to go.
Yeah, just give us a 60 second.
Anything? The thing is, I
You were in Bahrain, no?
I
You've
want to
been to the
feel bad.
circuit,
No.
Which circuit you were at?
Abu Dhabi.
Oh shit! Then don't give us
You
anything.
can send to
give us an
you
outro.
can send me to Bahrain. If
No,
you
no.
want to.
Send us, guys. Come on, yaar. It has to be me has to become us now. At least when we are on this podcast, send us both together to Bahrain. Guys,
So yeah, sure guys, send us. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick outro. Also Bahrain, I'm gonna study a little bit because I don't want to give half info. But I think a lot of teams are coming with upgrades for Bahrain.
are you meeting us after the Bahrain Grand Prix?
Yes, online.
Online? Why?
They are meeting me online anyway.
Yeah, but we
I'm
asking.
just tired of his shit a little
We
bit.
just want to know why.
Just tired of his shit a little bit.
why aren't you taking us with you?
I am actually going out of country for work.
Woo! Out of the country, which place?
None of your business. How about
Why?
that?
We wanna
okay,
know.
guys, let's do an outro. So I think we have a lot in this week that we spoke about that you can read and talk about multiple times in the year. And so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We don't have a prediction as such. I think McLaren's are like to sum it up, McLaren's are fast. Red Bull might have figured something out in this last race with Max winning, and a few upgrades are coming for a lot of teams, and I think we'll all have to wait and watch what Bahrain brings for us. I think Bahrain will be an interesting race.
Let me just tell you, the boys in red, they're going to do a fantastic job in Bahrain. So better watch the race.
Why have you hired this guy again?
We didn't hire anyone here. There's no guy who's been hired. There's a girl who's been hired.
Why is this? Why are we doing this then?
Because I just
What's
feel-
going on? He's just Delulu Ferrari fan here.
I think that's what happens, no? Once you get a Ferrari, you have to be little delulu. That's what
Yeah,
you said in the
otherwise
last
he'll be
podcast.
depressed. Otherwise, he'll be depressed.
I
as
won't be
sweetheart.
depressed.
Not yet.
I'm enjoying
Because he's
because
delulu.
I love so many of them. You love only Max. I love
No, who
I
said
love the
that?
papaya. But Max is your
No.
sweetie.
Oh, and Louis is your what?
He's my daddy.
No.
But yeah, no.
But yeah, guys, this was fun. We will see you in Bahrain right after the race, and don't forget to leave your favorite moments from today's podcast and the race.
Please comment, guys. Like,
Yeah,
you know, whatever
yaar.
you guys see.
And don't shout at me in comments,
Yeah,
Rude.
we were not aware of that. Like, someone
No,
shouted
it's
at
fine.
her. But yeah,
How
I
can you
mean,
shout at me, yeah? I'm just talking. मेरे को बात करने के लिए बुलाते हैं यहाँ पे. क्या बात होती
No, but
है?
I was saying, yeah,
हाँ.
like, you know, once you watch it, like, maybe if you guys have any inputs, you have any stats that you'd like to
Anything we
mention.
have said wrong, because I can be wrong
Yeah,
sometimes.
there are. I've seen some podcasts where people mention the exact timestamp and they leave a comment adding their views. So if you
Homework दे रहा है
see,
तुम्हें Stalin.
no, I'm just saying if you see something at that particular timestamp, you know, you could just mention that and add your views. So we also get to learn from you. I think
Just
that'll be very
share
interesting.
this with other people. See, we would love to know what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, what's not working with you guys. Because at the end of the day, me and Stalin do this after every race anyway.
Yeah.
We are doing this with cameras and lights and all for you guys. So if you guys don't like something or like something, please let us know so that we can do more or less of it. But we just want to keep doing this because we are, at the end of the day, we are all fans and we're all trying to reunite. We're all trying to unite all of us together just to have a community when we can just find a safe space, make shitty jokes and laugh about it. So yeah.
At least we've established one thing, that we can make shitty jokes.
Yeah, of course we can. Have you seen my face? I mean, what other jokes will come out of this mouth?
No, I thought I make shitty jokes.
You don't make jokes only. They're not funny. But yeah, we will do this forever. But thanks so much for watching. Go like, share, comment, and please subscribe. And I will see you in Bahrain.
In Bahrain. Thank you guys.
Wow, आज तू
What
क्या
a-
हो क्या, bro?